The Sandmarc backpack has some great features, but is it worth it? Let's go through all the pros and cons in this detailed review. Welcome to Travel channel. Take a look at the dimension you see on the screen. Now, to show you the full potential of this backpack, I'm showing a really cool, almost magical trick. It expands from 25 liters to 30.5 liters when fully extended. And before we move on to packing the backpack, I want to show you a very important feature for any traveler. This backpack comes with a great optional lockable zip pullers, and let me show you two ways to use them. Now let's start packing the laptop compartment. The compartment is spacious and well designed, as you can see. As you can see, there's a lot of space for laptop and smartphone accessories. There are also pockets for small iPhone lenses, although I don't have any of those. It's time to pack the main compartment. The main compartment doesn't open completely, but there are no issues with packing it, and it's spacious enough, as you can see. And I always use packing cubes. For me, they are the best way to organize things in a backpack. Unfortunately, there is no dedicated pocket for camera and lenses, but if you're a content creator carrying a camera, here's an easy solution. I place my Peak Design slick bags inside the main compartment. Pack in the front pockets. Now let's check out the front pockets. The top pocket is perfect for a passport, wallet, and I always add an AirTag. The deepest pocket holds my charger case and GoPro, while the bottom pocket is perfect for a small tripod. As you can see, the bottle pockets are quite large, making them good for wider bottles that stay in place. And the pockets are large, perhaps because they are also designed to fit a standard-sized tripod. There's also another interesting and useful feature in this backpack: straps at the bottom for attaching items. In my case, they are for an umbrella or jacket. Another interesting detail is that the shoulder strap has a pocket for your phone. But keep in mind, if you put a larger smartphone like the iPhone Pro Max in there, be careful, as the side buttons might get pressed and you could accidentally trigger SOS. As you can see, the chest straps are very flexible. Now it's time for water resistant test. In all my reviews of travel bags and backpacks, I always focus a lot on water resistance because it's super important when you're traveling. Your documents and electronics need to be protected from water. Sandmarc didn't disappoint. The test went perfectly, as even the zippers are fully designed for water protection. Here's how it looks when I'm wearing the backpack. The size of the Sandmarc backpack is suitable for a carry-on. It's perfect for carrying tech and cameras. Your gear will be safe. Overall, though, it's very comfortable and it also has a luggage pass-through, making it easy to combine with suitcase during your travels. If you're not traveling with a camera like I am, the main compartment is more than enough to fit everything for one person for a week.